Okay, this is recording for lab 7. It's the IR obstacle lab. We're using the lab 2 folder that was provided to us at the beginning of the semester. So this is the code, which I'm not going to actually show it because we showed it during lab 2 or lab 1, one of the two. But here is our implementation of the IR sensor and the voltage regulator along with the capacitors and the battery pack. Okay, so basically I have the batteries already in there. I use the smaller breadboard here, just to I use it for my ground and my power essentially, to keep it all in one place. Here I have the voltage regulator where I have I have all power, ground, the capacitors coming out of it, and the capacitors are all going to the ground that's on the smaller breadboard. As for voltage, I'm powering the IR sensor with this wire here, which is that first pin there. I'm powering the board using V-bus in the bottom left, using the regulator as well. And up on the top here, there's a red wire. This red wire is just to power the regulator itself. And then for both pin 1 and pin 3 of the regulator, I have the 470 microfarad capacitors in order to I have them connected to the power there, and then those are both also going to ground, and as well. And then the IR sensor, I have it going to ground. I have power going to the regulator, as I mentioned. I have this wire here, and that's for the signal from the board. So I use PF4 for this, and let me follow the wire so I can show that it's not connected to a USB. So here's the cable, and it ends here. So it's not connected to a USB. It's being totally powered by the battery pack right now. And finally, I'll show the IR sensor actually working. So you can see it working here. So right now it is set to 6 inches. So as soon as I block it, the way the lab works is that as soon as you press PF4, the light goes from red blue, I think, to blue green or red green, one of the two, I forget. Let me find out. It goes to blue green when I block the sensor. So that's why I have it connected to PF4, and the IR sensor now makes it turn blue green. So here we go. This is me directly on the sensor, and you can see it is working. So now I'll show the distance, or I'll try to at least. I'll go higher, 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 right around here, or sorry, I'm not, my hand wasn't over it. Right around here, yep, that's 6 inches right there. And it is working.